Just before we start, here's a little something that I filmed last night and forgot to put in with yesterday's vlog. Cup of corn in the middle of the night. Cup of corn. How do you like my new cap? I love it actually. Really. I like the color. I like the font of what's written. I like everything about it. And the only problem is I still don't know what is Philadelphia, though I think it's a football team. Like I've said, I like the new hat and so does my dog. Hey dog. Kins, you like my new cap? You like it? You like this? See? He likes it. Yeah, and he destroyed my new shirt. This is the I'm cooler than that guy shirt. Yeah, I'm cooler than that guy. Yeah, that guy. Oh yeah. Look at the view. Where am I? I'm at this club, like the ones we went to before, the one with sands and slides, but this is another one. It's our first time here. This one's closer to our home, so that's cool. There's more nature over here. And it's empty here also. Well, I guess because it's morning, but yeah. It's cool. Let's explore. Pretty cool. Shout out to our Little Life daily vlogs. Today, or actually I think it was yesterday, they hit day 365 of daily vlogging, which is 1 year. And that's actually amazing, really amazing. And so shout out to our Little Life. You'll find the link to their channel in the description. They're awesome. It's Natasha time. Oh, come on, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Yeah, so Natasha, how do you like the new cap? Hey, I'm talking to you. How do you like the new cap? Do you like it? The new cap. Tell me, what do you think about it? Look at it. Look at it. You don't like my new cap? Why not? Why don't you like my new cap? Look at it. It's cool. See? Ah, it's got a flat top so you can sit on it. Yay, bird on my cap. Get down, bird. Bird on my cap. You wanna go up on my cap again? You want? Yeah? Go up again. That was cool. You want to go up there? Once again? Oh, party on my cap. On my new cap. Swag. Come down. You happy? You happy? You happy? You've been up there twice, so you better be grateful. Right? Yeah. Natasha just dropped a feather. Cool feather. Nice. Smells good too. I'm gonna add it to my collection of Natasha feathers. I've got like a whole box of those in different colors, and they all smell as good. Let's add it to the collection. And here is it, all filled with different sizes and colors of Natasha feathers. Here's a little example. Lots and lots of them. Loads. And they all came from this bird over here. All of them. So yeah, let's add it to the collection. The weather is quite nice today, and there's a little bit of wind. Check this out. Nice, even though we're in mid-July. I'm pretty sure it wasn't like this last year, because in 2012, in July, it was freaking hot. And to prove it, let's have a flashback on what I was doing on this very day 1 year ago. Hey, YouTubers. So yeah, it's summer, and as usual, it's extremely hot. Like right now, I'm burning. I'm melting all over. It's so hot. Our neighbors got like this huge Alaskan dog a few days ago, like almost like a husky except much bigger and with really long and thick hair. I think those dudes, like this type of dogs, they're used to snow and being in cold weather. I really don't know how he's gonna survive our weather. Like seriously, I don't think he's gonna live to the end of the summer with all that hair. Right now I put Natasha back in the cage because I'm going out to check on the dogs. Alright, now it's really hot. I'm beginning to wonder if I'm going to survive. This dog's the Alaskan dog I've told you about. That's him. See, look how much hair he's got. All this hair. While on the other side, my dog, he's got really short hair. This is my dog. Short hair. So right now I think I'm gonna go inside the house because it's getting really hot right now. I think I'm really about to melt. It was a pretty hot day, July the 18th, 2012. But on this day, same day, July the 18th of 2013, it's windy. Alright, so this is the end of today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm still cooler. I'm still cooler than that guy. Yup, that guy. That door. I'm cooler. Oh yeah. See ya.